Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of infectious medicine is amebiasis. This amebiasis topic we will discuss in three different sections. In the first section we will talk about what is amebiasis. Life cycle and transmission of amebiasis caused by Entamoeba Histolytica. Most common type of amebiasis is caused by Entamoeba Histolytica. So we will discuss the life cycle and transmission of Entamoeba Histolytica, and also the epidemiology of amebiasis caused by Entamoeba Histolytica will be discussed in first section also. Then in the second section, we will discuss the pathogenesis and pathology. What's the abnormality of in amebiasis and how this abnormality develop or progress? What's the pathogenesis? What's the clinical syndrome associated with amebiasis, and what are the complications of amebiasis? Then in the third and the final section, we will talk about the treatment options available for amebiasis, what are the different lab tests we can do for the diagnosis of amebiasis, and also we will discuss the serology and radiology of amebiasis. So all this will be discussed in our today's topic of amebiasis, a common infection caused by amoeba, Entamoeba Histolytica, and some other amebia we will discuss in this topic, as we will talk about it in detail later on. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn about amebiasis.